Hello and welcome to Brilliant POV. Welcome to an exciting and exclusive video, where we'll uncover the enigmatic world of the Chinese Navy's cutting-edge technologies that are shrouded in mystery. Prepare to be captivated as we reveal the clandestine expansions of their naval bases in the South China Sea and marvel at their pursuit of next-generation aircraft carriers and state-of-the-art stealth technology. Fasten your seatbelts as we dive into China's thrilling quest for hypersonic weapons and expose their formidable cyber warfare capabilities. So, buckle up and join us on this electrifying journey, as we uncover the groundbreaking developments in the Chinese Navy that are set to redefine the future of maritime warfare. Expansion of naval bases. Rumors have circulated that China has been working on expanding its naval bases in the South China Sea and along its coastlines to accommodate its growing fleet and enhance its ability to project power in the region. This expansion is said to be part of China's long-term strategy to assert its maritime claims and protect its strategic interests in the region. Some examples of this alleged expansion include artificial islands. China has reportedly been constructing artificial islands in the South China Sea to serve as military outposts and to extend its reach in the region. These islands have been equipped with airstrips, military installations, and port facilities, enabling China to exert greater control over the disputed waters. Djibouti Base. In 2017, China established its first overseas military base in Djibouti, located on the Horn of Africa. This strategic location allows the Chinese Navy to extend its reach into the Indian Ocean, where it can protect its interests in the region and support its growing fleet of naval vessels. Hainan Island Base. China has allegedly been upgrading its naval facilities on Hainan Island, which is located in the South China Sea. This includes the construction of additional piers, ship repair facilities, and underground submarine pens, allowing the Chinese Navy to better maintain and protect its fleet. Gwadar Port. In Pakistan, China has been developing the Gwadar port as part of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC. While it is primarily an economic and commercial project, there have been speculations that China may use the port for military purposes in the future, allowing it to project power into the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean. Advanced aircraft carrier development. China has been rumored to be working on the development of more advanced aircraft carriers to enhance its naval capabilities and project power in the region. These carriers are designed to rival the capabilities of the United States Navy and other advanced naval forces. Type 002. The Type 002 aircraft carrier, also known as the Shandong, is China's second aircraft carrier and the first to be domestically built. Launched in 2017 and commissioned in 2019, it represents a significant step forward in China's aircraft carrier development. The Shandong is a conventionally powered carrier, and while it shares similarities with the Liaoning, China's first aircraft carrier, which was a refurbished Soviet vessel, it has been reported to feature various improvements in design and capabilities. Type 003. The Type 003 aircraft carrier is rumored to be China's next-generation aircraft carrier, and it is expected to be larger and more advanced than its predecessors. Reports have suggested that it may be equipped with an electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMLS, similar to the system used on the U.S. Navy's Ford-class carriers. This technology allows for a more efficient and effective launch of aircraft, enabling the carrier to accommodate a broader range of aircraft and improving sortie rates. The Type 003 is also expected to have a larger air wing, increased power generation, and advanced radar and sensor systems. Future carriers. Beyond the Type 003, it has been speculated that China will continue to develop its aircraft carrier program, potentially focusing on nuclear-powered carriers. These carriers would be capable of longer deployments and would have greater power generation capacity, enabling them to support advanced weapon systems and technologies. A larger and more advanced carrier fleet would enhance China's ability to project power and assert its influence in the region and beyond. Stealth technology. Rumors have suggested that China is working on advanced stealth technology for its submarines and surface ships, aiming to reduce their detection range and increase their stealth capabilities. By incorporating stealth features into their naval vessels, China would be able to operate more covertly and increase the survivability of their fleet. Submarines. China has been reportedly focusing on improving the stealth capabilities of its submarines to make them harder to detect by adversaries. This includes working on advanced propulsion systems, such as quieter nuclear and diesel-electric engines, to reduce the submarine's acoustic signatures. Additionally, China is believed to be developing submarines with more hydrodynamic hull designs and advanced anechoic coatings to minimize their noise and radar signatures. Surface ships. Stealth technology is also rumored to be a focus for China's surface ships, such as destroyers and frigates. The incorporation of stealth features into the design of these ships would make them harder to detect by enemy radar systems, increasing their survivability in combat situations. Examples of such features may include sloping hull designs, radar-absorbent materials, and advanced electronic warfare systems to jam or confuse enemy radar signals. Unmanned underwater vehicles, UAVs. China is also believed to be investing in the development of stealthy unmanned underwater vehicles. These UAVs could be used for various missions, including reconnaissance, surveillance, mine countermeasures, and anti-submarine warfare. By incorporating stealth technology into their design, these UAVs would be more challenging to detect, making them valuable assets for covert naval operations. Hypersonic weapons. There have been reports of China developing and testing hypersonic weapons, which could pose a significant threat to naval forces due to their speed and ability to evade existing missile defense systems. Hypersonic weapons travel at speeds of Mach 5 or higher, 5 times the speed of sound, making them extremely difficult to intercept. Hypersonic glide vehicles, HGVs. China has been rumored to be working on hypersonic glide vehicles, which are launched into the atmosphere by a rocket and then glide toward their target at hypersonic speeds. These vehicles can maneuver during their flight, making them even more difficult to track and intercept. In recent years, China has reportedly conducted several successful tests of its DF-17 hypersonic glide vehicle. Hypersonic cruise missiles. China is also believed to be developing hypersonic cruise missiles, which are powered by scramjet engines that allow them to maintain hypersonic speeds throughout their flight. These missiles would be capable of evading existing air defense systems and could be used to target enemy naval vessels or other high-value targets. Anti-ship ballistic missiles, ASBMs. While not technically hypersonic weapons, China's anti-ship ballistic missiles, such as the DF-21D and DF-26, are worth mentioning due to their potential threat to naval forces. These missiles are designed to target moving ships at sea and are capable of maneuvering during their terminal phase, making them difficult to intercept. Their speed, combined with their maneuverability, could pose a significant challenge to existing naval missile defense systems. Cyber warfare capabilities. It has been rumored that the Chinese Navy is working on advanced cyber warfare capabilities to disrupt and disable enemy communication systems and infrastructure, potentially giving them an advantage in naval conflicts. By developing and employing sophisticated cyber warfare techniques, China could undermine the operational capabilities of its adversaries and create openings for its naval forces to exploit. Targeting naval systems. Cyber warfare capabilities could be used to target an enemy's naval systems, such as communication networks, navigation systems, and weapons platforms. By compromising these systems, the Chinese Navy could disrupt an adversary's ability to coordinate its forces and respond effectively to threats, creating opportunities for Chinese naval vessels to gain the upper hand in a conflict. Electronic warfare. In addition to cyber attacks, China is believed to be developing advanced electronic warfare capabilities to jam, deceive, or disrupt enemy radar and communication systems. Electronic warfare can complement cyber warfare efforts by creating confusion and reducing an adversary's situational awareness during naval operations. Espionage and intelligence gathering. Cyber warfare can also be used for espionage and intelligence gathering purposes. By infiltrating an adversary's networks, China could gain valuable information on its naval capabilities, strategies, and intentions. This intelligence could be used to inform and refine China's own naval operations and decision-making processes. Offensive cyber operations. China has been rumored to be developing offensive cyber capabilities, which could be used to launch targeted cyber attacks against an adversary's critical infrastructure, such as power grids, transportation networks, or financial systems. These attacks could be used to create chaos and weaken an adversary's ability to support its naval forces during a conflict. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.